smoking when I was about 13. I used to hang out with my brother's friends. A lot of them were older than me, so I think I got peer pressure into smoking because they were all about 16 and they were older and able to smoke, but I still smoked. I quit smoking when I was 16. I used an electric cigarette. I bought it offline and used that for about a year and 3 months. And then it was much easier, and I didn't smoke at all since. With all my friends smoking as well, going out on the night out and other people smoking around you. I volunteer for the filter, I have done for about 2 years now. I go out delivering sessions to youth centres, community centres, school, anywhere where there's young people, delivering sessions about the dangers of smoking. The filter did help me quit. I was volunteering here and seeing all the work that was going on, seeing how bad smoking was for me. It provides not just youth workers going into schools and stuff, but there's a great website where you can text in any questions you have. Look on the Facebook side, you can use Snapchat. I like volunteering for the filter. It's going out, getting the message to young people about the dangers of smoking. I never had that experience, so being able to go out and deliver it to young people to get the message out, I think is great.